Hi, good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. This is Graham Heap. It is Tuesday, the 19th of April 2022, and I'm very glad to be here and I'm very glad that you're watching me. Thank you very much. It's been 9 years since my last build using Ivy Bridge i5, and the whole system. I'll refer to it in the text for this video. Has lasted me. I'm still using it as my current. I did update it a little bit. I went from an i5 to an i7, and also updated the graphics card a bit as well. But otherwise, it's stayed me in good stead. But I decided recently that I wanted to get more up-to-date processor, so I went for the Intel Core i5 11600K overclocking as well. Though I'm probably a lazy overclocker, though I do plan to do it anyway. And I've got my Corsair Vengeance, obviously it's DDR4. I'm going for a smaller case, so I've gone for the NZXT H510 Compact Mid Tower ATX case. Sticking with Corsair as my power source, and I've got a semi-modular TX650M. Going with Crucial from my main boot disk, and that's stead me before on my last one. I sort of use the same sort of components. Sticking with Gigabyte, not really gone for the AMD thing, so staying with Intel. And I've gone for the Z590 AORUS Master gaming motherboard. Basically, I picked this one, quite more expensive than probably I would have chosen before, just to make sure that I get the onboard reporting with the LEDs. And probably a new thing for me is I'll be installing, because you don't get a stock cooler with this i5, the Hyper H411R. So those are basically my components. I don't have a graphics card, mainly because I can't decide, and also I understand that graphics cards are hard to come by at the moment. I'm not sure. I haven't really looked at graphics cards. I did about a year ago, and that put me off building. But I've decided I do want to upgrade my system, and I want to see how good the integrated graphics card is on the i5, and then you know, maybe build up to a better graphics card. So this is my build. I'm going to keep it short and sweet, not as much as the last one, mainly because hopefully I know what I'm doing this time. And I guess building PCs, I'm not too sure if they're current or not. But anyway, very welcome to my channel. Please do ask questions. I am thinking, when I have time to do it, because I didn't do much overclocking on my original build, but I did stick with that typical, with that Ivy Bridge setup, and I actually, because you tied into that technology, I actually reproduced it by getting a better motherboard and also an i7 processor. So I actually have two PCs based on that sort of technology. Both capable of overclocking. So I think it'd be interesting to see overclocking that compared to a modern 11th gen processor. So anyway, that's really all I had to say about this today. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like, subscribe. Do put questions in. Your questions will stimulate me to actually respond to the audience and actually, you know, investigate areas that you may be interested in. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and hope you have a great Easter. Hope you had a great Easter.